Hi, in this demonstration I'm going to show you how you can import custom fields from text or Excel files in batch into QuickBooks Online to update customer records. So here you can see the number of custom fields that you can have. I've got a few set up here. One particular one is sales team, which you're going to update. Now when you come into QuickBooks, and you could update these manually, but you need to do each individual customer, and that's going to take you a lot of time. So what we've developed is a way using our utility called Z-Access to import those directly from text or Excel files directly into your QuickBooks company file. So let's show you. So to begin with, we're going to connect Z-Access to our QuickBooks Online company file by selecting New Connection. Follow the prompts on the screen to obtain the access token and approve access to connect to the QuickBooks company file that you want to connect to. So we've now got an access token and we can return to Z-Access and save. So click on the Import tab. Now we're going to browse to a file that contains the custom fields that we want to import. This is a text file that I've created for this movie, and it contains 4 columns. So it contains a column for the name of the custom field, the object or the list type that is updating, in this case it's customers and vendors, the actual name of the customer that we're updating the custom field for, and the value of the custom field. So in this case we've got 3 different values here for 3 different customers. So then we're going to create a new map. So you select the transaction type as a custom field, and then you map each of the fields to the columns in your import file. So these fields in this column are the QuickBooks fields, and these are the columns in your import file. So the fully qualified name is going to go against the list name, in which case that is the name of the customer, the list type, which is a customer, the name for the custom field. In this example, we're using a custom field called sales team, and then the value of the custom field that we want to attach to that. So all these fields marked in yellow mandatory, and we can save that. So once the mapping's saved, we can reuse that mapping on subsequent imports. So for this example, currently at this point, Intuit only supporting customer names as a supported type for the custom field entry. So you can only import custom fields on the customer names at this point. We expect they're going to add in the vendor and possibly employee later. So I'm just going to uncheck those rows for the moment, and we'll go ahead and show you how those fields can be imported into QuickBooks Online. So I'm going to select the option for overwrite, and I'll click import. So Z-Access goes through the process of validating that and then importing that data directly into your QuickBooks Online company file and updating those customers with those custom values. So once they're complete, we can close that screen. Let's go back into QuickBooks and show you. So I've opened QuickBooks and I'm going to look up the customer that we updated one of the custom fields for, and you can see against that the field that we updated for the sales team is now selected the value of red. So that's very simply how you can use Z-Access to import custom fields in batch against customer names directly into a QuickBooks Online company file.